All right, we're going to be doing flip from mechanical's perspective. So flip actually just flips elements, and it's this button right up here. If I come up to this air device here, if I click this little button here, it'll actually flip on the work plane. So instead of the connector coming out of the bottom, it'll actually come out of the top. So if I cut a section here real quick, uh, and you can see if I click this button here, it'll actually flip this element. If I go back to the floor plan and I click this button, it'll actually move this element entirely. If I have this ceiling air device into a ceiling grid and I click that button, it could flip on top of a light. So this flip button will actually flip the air device without actually moving it. So if I selected it, you can see it doesn't even look like it moved. But if I go back to the section view, if I come up to the KLH beta, hit flip again, you can see it's actually flipping it and it's keeping the same position. So that makes it a lot easier when you're dealing with ceiling grids and ceiling air devices. The other use for flip is when Revit just decides that your sanitary tees and sanitary fittings are going the other direction. So if the sanitary was actually flowing to the left here, I'd want to flip this. I could just do a keyboard shortcut and it'll flip that as well. This is really nice when you're just wanting to select and just use a keyboard shortcut and not have to worry about finding this little button here. So it does save some time just navigating that and identifying that button as well. So that's pretty much flip in a nutshell. Appreciate it.